iPads are helping the MLB start its season tomorrow. And we're going to also have artificial crowd noise.
Oh.
So, yes, they're going to start playing baseball. We saw the fake crowds on the soccer or football,
yes,
as you would reference it if you were in Europe or anywhere else in the world other than here.
Scenes, not all.
Yeah, it wasn't perfectly implemented. What I like about this one, it's a partnership. Well, first of all, Apple and the iPad is going to help out, but Sony's going to help out too. Ballparks will have 12 4K Sony cameras with the Hawkeye tracking system. The MLB said it will help better track player positioning and movement and everything that's happening on the field with no blind spots. So I'm guessing the production is just going to be cooler as they aim to try to make the thing feel better in the absence of having physical people there, because the crowd adds a lot. Yes. I was watching some clips, saw a couple Blue Jays hit home runs last night. No crowd at Fenway Park. I was like, ghost town, man. It's really missing a piece of it. So that's going to help. And then Sony has also made available 75 samples of crowd noise.
Okay. So they can mix and match.
And apparently they got it from its MLB video game.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
So I don't know what that would be. I guess that's called The Show on PlayStation. So 75 different samples. And there's going to be a guy with an iPad, kind of like you, Will, live mixing what the correct crowd noise for the event would be.
Yeah, I can imagine that. Yeah.
That's a tough job, man.
Yeah.
You got to have all the various varieties of what percentage of crowd impact. So something good happens. How good was it?
And maybe a slider for the volume too.
Is that a 70% cheer? Is that a 50% cheer? Okay, a home run, give him 100. But home run at the opposing field, that's a bit of a boo now. Yeah. I love this job. I love the fact that there's a guy that has to figure out what the whole crowd would be doing. He's probably sitting there right now, that guy, studying old footage to see what the right amount of crowd activity would be for the given play on the field. It's lovely. I'm really into it. I feel like we should have that for this show. Well, you need an iPad right there and a live crowd. Wouldn't that just be a laugh track? That would be terrible. Don't do that. But for sports, it's absolutely necessary. I'm curious to see how this all plays out.